we're going to show you the Perrin & Rowe 4460 Phoenician kitchen tap. So this is the box that it comes in, fairly sizable box. Open the box, and inside the first thing you get is the instruction booklet. So information on here on how to install the tap, various diagrams with fixings, etc. So should be relatively easy to install. This leaflet tells you about the different finishes, and in particular the aged brass product, which is a natural living finish. Interesting to see information on how to care for the product. Nice diagram showing the different finishes, so worth a read. Then we've got the box, which is a nice polystyrene box to protect the product. Inside the box, all the fittings you need. So this is a tap support brace. If you're fitting this tap onto a stainless steel sink, the tap will move around, so this will help support the tap. This is the fixing key underneath, or the horseshoe shaped fixing goes underneath. The base ring, so a matching aged brass base ring. This sits down onto the worktop or onto the sink. It's got a sealing ring underneath, stop the water going down the hole that you drill in your worktop. And then you get a little spanner, a long spanner to get up behind the tap, screw that around to tighten up the little nut on the bottom, so that makes it a bit easier to gain access. Then we've got the tap itself. So a nice aged brass finish. Every one of these taps will be different. They're a natural finish, so they will come with little tarnish marks on, weld marks on, so you might be able to see there where the weld is around the spout. Twin levers, so easily moves up and down. To indicate hot and cold, you've got a blue, which is always on the right, hot with a red always on the left. So hopefully you'll be able to see that there. On the back of the spout, you've got the little grub screw that holds the spout in. So if this spout needs to be removed, little O-rings in here to replace, simply undo this, pull the spout out, change the O-rings, push it back in, tighten that back up again. On the end of the spout, you've got what is a fairly basic aerator. So you can see there that the hot water comes down the centre spout and the cold around the outside. It's a little bit of an aerator, but not really very detailed. It will separate the water out and stop it from splashing, but not to the degree of some of the more complex aerators. So underneath the tap, you've got standard hot and cold connections, which are just compression fittings. So these will just screw on and off your isolating valves. Good long hose on there, which can bend and move and connect easy. Really nice finish, really easy to operate. Forward, backward, quarter turn, full on, full off, swivel spout all the way around. So that is your Phoenician 4460.